Hello everyone, it's middle of the week, so it's time for hydraulics class. I'm recording this on Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. This is week number 2 of the COVID-19 special schedule for Cincinnati State. Here's what I have for you this week. So I'm going to start at the announcements page. You guys are doing a great job checking your announcements. I really appreciate that. Let's go into course content, and we'll look at this week's week 2 of the COVID-19 assignments. So if I open up this folder, it starts out with a video on the C5 landing gear. This is a very short video, but a very cool video. It shows you this gigantic landing gear going up into the wheel wells of the airplane, and that's our subject for this week. Our two subjects. The subject for the first day of class, of course, is large aircraft landing gear. There's a reading section for you to complete. It's not too many pages. Give it a read. You can give it a light read. I don't care. Now, below that, you can see that there is there's a file called cheat sheet for landing gear, this file right here. So cheat sheet for landing gear, what you want to do is open that file or print it, or at least jot notes down, because there will be a quiz. So here is what this next section is composed of. There is a video, and it's on the 767 landing gear system. So this is, instead of a PowerPoint, we're doing this video. But you're going to watch this video, and for everybody who shows up online, we'll go over okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so you watch this video, and then right after that, there is a quiz, and it's the 767 landing gear quiz. Now, this has open-ended questions, so you've got to type in or write in what the answer to. So it's not A, B, C, or D or anything like that. So the way I set this up is that to do this quiz, I want you to be able to watch the video and find the answers in the video for the quiz. So the quickest, easiest way I know of is if I told you what the questions will be in advance. So hence, I'm going to open up cheat sheet for landing gear. How this works. This is my Word file, the same thing. But what I've got is it explains on there. You don't hand this in. You use this to find so the first question is, what are the 3 positions of the landing gear lever? And as you're watching it, if you're online with us doing this, we'll stop and we'll find the answer as a group, and we'll write that down. So when you get ready to take the quiz, you'll know it. Question number 2, how do you extend the landing gear in a normal gear extension? So this will go on, this will carry on with the video. After the landing gear quiz, the second day of our class, the subject is landing gear safety devices. So there's reading on landing gear safety devices. These are like the devices that keep the landing gear from, if you go out into the hangar at Cincinnati State, well, first off, you can't, because we're on lockdown, and there's a machine gun nest in there, and a couple of pillboxes that you got to take out with some small arms before you. Anyway, if you were to go in the commander and put the landing gear lever up, it will not try to retract the gear, because there's a safety device on it that says, hey, the airplane's sitting on the ground, I can't retract the gear. A couple other reasons it won't, but that's, so there's landing gear safety devices is our second topic. We've got some PowerPoints on landing gear safety devices. If you're online, we'll go over these, and you don't have to. And then the last assignment for this week, this is basically our lab assignment, is to discuss a landing gear safety device. There's several different types, and so in this, if I click on the blog, I'm going to do a blog entry, and it's going to it says here, what landing gear safety device do you think is more important? How does it work? And why do you think it's the most important safety device? So I'm not asking for War and Peace. You don't have to write 250, 300 words. Write whatever you think, but 2 sentences doesn't get it. You guys know that, right? Just do a good job. I'm not asking for lots and lots of information here, but you need to give me more than just 2 sentences. So that is the assignments for this week. make sure you check the announcements, and I'm going to put this week's announcements in the announcements section, and I may do a video for that.